Good morning student. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 2, Europe and India. During the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact on India. Means during the modern period, many things happened in Europe and the impact of that things had on India. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. And so, while we study the events, while we study the modern Indian history, that time we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. With the study of modern Indian history, we also have to study the events happening in the Europe in that period. The first point is period of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period means the end of medieval period means the 13th to the 16th century. This period is known as period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Means in that Renaissance period, means in 13th to 16th century, the Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Due to this, means due to the Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries, the foundation of modern era started. Hence, this period is also known as the age of Renaissance, and so this period is also known as the age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition, which gave momentum to an overall development. During this period, means in the period of Renaissance, in the field of art, architecture and philosophy, there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition. There was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition, which gave momentum to an overall development. Revival means making new out of the old, and due to this, the tradition, Greek and Roman traditions revival, this gave momentum to overall development. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given great impulse. In the period of Renaissance, humanitarianism was given impulse, means the speed is given to this. There was a change in the outlook of the treating each other as a human being. In this period, from this period, the treating each others, peoples started treating each other with a new view. Instead of religion, man became center point of the ideologies. In the period of Renaissance, man became the point of ideologies. The religions are not considered important in this period. The reform movement spread throughout all sectors of human life, and in this period, reform movement also began throughout all sections of human life. though knowledge, science, as well as different sections of art, we can observe the discoveries of reform movement through knowledge. Means the reform movement started through knowledge. We saw the reform movements in science and in also different sections of art. The art and literature of Renaissance period depict sentiments and emotions of human beings. In the art and literature of Renaissance period, we saw the sentiments and emotions of human being. Literature was produced in local language for better understanding to the common people. In that period, literature was produced in common language because the common language was easy for people to understand. In that period, literature was produced in local language because that language was easy to understand for the common people. During 1415 AD, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press. In 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press. Due to this discovery, new ideas, concepts, and knowledge reached to all sections of society. And due to the discovery of this printing press, new ideas, new concepts, and knowledge reached to the sections of society, to all the sections of the society. Here the information of Leonardo da Vinci is given. He is recognized as an all-round personality of the period of Renaissance. Leonardo da Vinci is recognized as an all-round personality of that period. He was well versed in different branches of science and art. He has the knowledge of different branches of science and arts. He had mastery over varied subjects such as sculpture, architecture, mathematics, engineering, music, astronomy, etc. He had mastery over many subjects, and that subjects include sculpture, architecture, engineering, mathematics, music, and astronomy too. But he became world renowned as a painter. He became world renowned as a painter. His painting of Mona Lisa and the Last Supper became important. His painting of Mona Lisa and the Last Supper gave him renown, gave him fame. Here we are stopping and we will learn the next point, religious reform movement, in our next period. Today's homework for you is to complete question number 1 of this lesson in your notebook. Thank you.